Did you know 40% of women experience nail and skin damage by the time they turn 45? This has been a result of a dependency on unnatural nail products through applying artificial nails, and also by biting their nails. If you are like many women who get their nails done, you may be causing long-term damage to your hands. Using the wrong product can also thin your natural nails, making them weaker to a point where they break off completely.
I'm a busy mom, so self-care is key for me. For me, that meant going to the salon every 2 weeks to get my nails done with my artificial nails. I just loved it.
It was worth the cost, maybe $50, $60 every other week. But at least my nails looked good. I felt good.
But after a while, I started to see damaging effects on my skin.
Today, you will be learning about why your most beloved nail ritual is destroying your nails, skin, and fingers, and that there is one simple solution to transform your hands and bring back the healthy and natural state your nails were meant to be in the first place. Unfortunately, when it comes to their nail and skin care, women are left with over-the-counter popular solutions manufactured by the big corporations who need to cut their manufacturing costs and do so by using low-cost, harmful ingredients.
As women, our beauty routine is a huge part of what helps to build that initial confidence. But as consumers, we're often left unaware and misinformed about what goes into the making of our products.
When it comes to over-the-counter supplements, we know that these generic products don't actually treat the root cause of the problem. But we keep going towards them because they're a quick and easy solution.
To apply acrylic nails, the surface of your nails must be filed until they feel rough. This can thin out your natural nails, making them weaker. Chemicals in the products used to apply artificial nails can irritate the skin around your nails and elsewhere. However, the list of health risks doesn't end here. To remove artificial nails, you often need to soak them in acetone or file them off. If you want to wear artificial nails for more than a few weeks, you'll need touch-ups every 2 to 3 weeks to fill in the gaps that appear as your nails grow. Frequent touch-ups can seriously damage your natural nails.
I couldn't believe it. My nails were damaged, dry, and they were pretty much falling apart.
I didn't know that the products they were using to soak and clean my nails were filled with harsh chemicals that would later cause me harm.
I developed eczema. I developed brittle nails, and my cuticles were so damaged.
You are about to view real-life examples of everyday nail care done with harmful products. In fact, a tiny cut from a nail technician left one woman with a stinking growth on her finger that almost required partial amputation. Gel polish is painted on and then cured under a lamp, which dries and hardens the polish almost instantly. Most curing lamps emit ultraviolet light, a light which is a known cause of cellular damage and aging and increases risk of skin cancer. There are some alternative lamps available that emit LED light. However, they may still emit some UV light. Additionally, you should always apply sunscreen 20 minutes prior to the UV treatment, or wear fingerless gloves while under the lamp for precaution. Approximately 40% of young adults are nail biters. Besides the persistently embarrassing and socially undesirable cosmetic problem, nail biting also damages the skin around the nail, which increases the risk of colds and potential infections by spreading germs from your fingers to your mouth and harms your teeth. Trysprig was developed by a board-licensed certified cosmetologist who uses natural water technology brought directly from Japanese hot springs. The Trysprig Nail Kit is 100% nail care kit that identifies and treats damaged nails and brings them back to life. We developed a kit that addresses the root issue and doesn't just put a Band-Aid on the problem. We at Trysprig focus on your health directly through your hands and fingernails. In the past year, we have discovered results women can experience directly in their own homes. In fact, our solution ingredients were so successful, 7 out of 10 women who used Trysprig claimed they would rather use our nail kit than go back to their old nail salons. These women have found astonishing results using our method, leaving them feeling healthy, vibrant, and more beautiful than ever before. This is why thousands of women choose Trysprig every day.
Really happy to come in today to talk about Trysprig. It's a way that I've been able to use safe and natural ingredients to revitalize my nails.
And what I love about it is it's all natural. The ingredients are good for your skin, good for your nails, so you can actually pamper yourself using the right products.
After only one use, I saw instant results, and now I can't go back to the usual drugstore nail products.
This just goes to show, when we work with our planet rather than against it, much better results can be achieved. What is in the Trysprig Transformation Nail Box? First, our water technology cuticle conditioner. This innovative mineral-rich formula outperforms oil-based cuticle conditioners through its higher concentration and advanced ability to penetrate deep into the cuticle. It effectively delivers nutrients to the cuticle bed where it is needed most, resulting in a healthy, nourished nail bed, equipped and ready to support healthy nail growth. It can be used for non-greasy stains, with a mess-free formula and a precision tip. But what makes the cuticle conditioner different? This amazing conditioner uses minerals and botanicals from a sacred hot spring in Japan to give each product a unique detox and replenishing boost. These minerals are treasured by the locals for their healing and energizing attributes, and they are an important part of the whole body wellness philosophy that is the inspiration for all the Trysprig products. All of Trysprig's products are made with natural and safe ingredients, free from parabens, SLS, coloring agents, and fragrance. It's cruelty-free too and suitable for vegans. Boosted with natural ingredients, rice bran oil conditions the nail bed and cuticle, vitamin A strengthens and heals, aloe vera softens and soothes, shea butter provides deep moisture. Second, our professional nail file stops hangnails before they form. Hangnails are pesky little skin tears that develop when slivers of skin tear away from the cuticle. Improper care of hangnails can lead to infection of the surrounding skin or even the nail itself. Our professional-grade nail file features 2 grits for natural and artificial nail care. Now you can easily shape the tips of your nails to a flawless, manicured look and feel. The grit colored side is perfect for shaping natural nails. The 180 grit silver side is extra coarse to handle artificial nails. The 120 small nail blocks compact size is easily carried in a bag, purse, or pocket and easily stored in a drawer. With minimal maintenance required, it can easily be cleaned with rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs. And third, the Natural Shine Nail Block. This compact, mess-free nail block is a portable mini manicure tool that will keep your nails feeling stronger and looking great no matter where you go. It also quickly repairs and restores damaged nails, smooths nail ridges and splits, removes stains, protects, and moisturizes, with an ultimate shine finish that lasts up to 10 days. Keep your nails shining for months. Every Trysprig box comes with extra replacement strips for your natural nail buffer. Don't live with damaged nails. In just a few simple steps, this easy-to-use nail care kit will erase damage and leave your nails with a beautiful, healthy, glossy shine that lasts.
Naturally beautiful and healthy nails starts here.
I can keep my nails natural, shiny, cute for way longer.
Trysprig has been a real lifesaver.
The Trysprig Nail Kit is a natural, safe, and easy solution. It will quickly restore your damaged or weak nails and give them the boost they need to stay strong and maintain their natural beauty. Skip the salon and stop putting yourself at risk. In just minutes a day, this compact kit will transform your nails, leaving them with healthy cuticles and a beautiful salon-finished shine. These immediate results are visible after just one use, and the high-gloss shine lasts up to 10 days. It only takes a few minutes to complete the full treatment and improve your nail health. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please visit us at www.trysprig.com.